If you're in the market for a pair of new gaming headsets and you're on a tight budget, then the Astrum HG100 might just be for you. The Astrum HG100 is a budget-friendly pair of gaming headsets, and here's my review. When unboxing, I found that it was a very simple and easy unboxing experience. You get the headsets, some paperwork, and the aux splitter. Feeling the build of the headsets, it feels durable, although it's made primarily of plastic material. The headset is lightweight, which is a good thing because from the jump, something that I noticed outright and stood out to me is the size of the ear cups. They are massive. It also has PU leather cushioning for the ear cups and an adjustable elastic hairband for added support during extended gaming sessions to reduce any kind of ear fatigue. Now let's talk about the sound quality, the reason why we actually care about these headsets. The sound quality is good, and that's probably because of the massive ear cups. The headsets don't have any noise cancellation, so when listening on low volumes, you can literally hear everything around you. You can adjust the volume using the volume control on the left earpiece, and the headsets can get really, really loud. And when I say loud, I mean loud. I mean, listen to this. The Astrum HG100 has an attached microphone that doesn't rotate all around the earpiece, which is something I prefer, but it's still somewhat flexible and adjustable. The mic quality is decent, but depending on how close you place it to your mouth, it could sound a bit muffled. Okay guys, testing 1 2 3. This is what the Astrum HG100 sounds like. I think it sounds pretty clear. I've already made a recording so that I can hear it with the feedback. And so it's really good if you're using it for meetings, online calls, online conferences. You are able to get whatever audio feedback. And it also sounds good when you're on a meeting with other people or just listening to any type of audio. The output audio is really good. So one thing I like about these headphones is that they're versatile. Yes, they are intended for gaming, but they could still be used for much more. If you're not really a gamer, these headsets are still suitable for online meetings on Microsoft Teams, Zoom, etc. Or even if you just want to listen to a podcast or some music. It's a very basic headset with no fancy features and button, but it does have RGB lights that turn on when you plug it into your USB port. So this creates some cool gaming atmosphere. The headsets are also special because you have an option for connecting the audio and the mic separately, or you could use the aux splitter and connect directly to the aux. I must say though, I did find the huge ear cups to be a bit uncomfortable when wearing them for a long period of time because they added a little bit of pressure by my jaw. That's the only big drawback with these headphones. The Astrum HG100 costs 399 Rand on Takealot. I'll leave a link in the description below. I think you should grab these if you are looking for a decent pair of no-nonsense gaming headphones that get the job done. They are ideal for casual gamers or kids, and it's a very solid choice for the price. I mean, 320 bucks, that's almost nothing. So if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and leave a comment. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.